So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Motherson Sumi share. So after posting some extraordinary quarter results, so on Friday itself, we have seen almost 10% movement, and today also it has shown some gap up movement. So we'll see what are the quick updates on Motherson Sumi. So we know that various brokerages have given their updated targets. They have increased their targets. So we'll see what are the next targets, and we will also do the technical analysis followed by volume analysis to find out the next possible levels. And also in the Telegram group yesterday I've posted almost 10 stocks, so do watch them. From that one stock also I've discussed in my previous videos, which is performing very well, and today also it has given some good quality movement of 6%. So do watch all the stocks clearly and join the Telegram. I'll provide the link in the description. And people are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so if we see various analysts, we know that they have updated the rating. So if you see these 175, 162, so these were the previous ratings, that is previous targets that all the brokerages have provided, and they have updated to almost 250, 200 plus only. So not below that. Okay, so if you see CLSA, it has updated buy from outperform, and it has given target of almost 250, followed by Morgan Stanley. It has given almost highest rating of almost 251, followed by Nomura, which has also given almost 252 target. So that's why today if you go to the technical charts, so currently you can see it will be trading near 206 with almost 6% positive movement, and a gap up, huge gap up opening was seen. So will it hit the target? So definitely we'll try to find out that. So watch the video till the end. So now we'll do the volume analysis and we'll go to the technical charts. Okay, so quickly let us revise the quarter results. So people who don't know how it has posted the quarter results, so we can see it has reported on Friday. So we know that it has reported its quarter result on Friday, and it has reported nearly four-fold jump. Okay, you can understand that four-fold jump in consolidated profit from continuing and discontinued operations at 1268.31 crore in the third ended quarter. So four-fold. So this is what I wanted to highlight. So four-fold increase was seen in the profit. And also you can see the total net profit was around 340.32 crore in the same period last fiscal year. So you can see how much increase is present. 1268 is where and 340 is where. So you can compare. Okay, and total revenue has also increased if we see year on year. So on good basis revenue has increased, but profit you can see fourfold. So this is one thing. So people who don't know how it has reported the quarter results, so this was the one reason why it has started moving up. Okay, so when we see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 12th February 2021. So you can see on that particular day itself, we have seen a large light blue color candle. So what is this light blue color candle? So that is nothing but the traded quantity. And what is the dark blue one? It is called the deliverable quantity. So whenever traded quantity is more, what does it imply? It implies that volatility is high. So volatility is high implies the stock either moves up with huge amount and either falls down with huge amount. So since it has positive outcome, so that's why it is having some huge positive movement. So you need to analyze this data, so it gives you clarity where the stock will be going in the coming session. So that's why today also with the increase in traded quantity, so we have seen some gap up opening, and also you can see the deliverable quantities have increased. So everything is looking out to be positive. But where you can enter, so that also we'll discuss. Okay, if we see the returns it has provided. Okay, so returns it has provided. So 1 week you can see 32.52% returns in just a span of 1 week. 1 month 22, and you can see 5 years it has doubled your investment. 3 months 55, and 1 year 62.57% returns. So very we can say decent returns have been given in long term, and short term it has given some extraordinary returns. So now it has started boosting up. So when auto ancillary is getting into demand, so obviously when auto stocks are getting revived, auto ancillary is also one segment you need to focus and need to add on each and every dips. So we have discussed some good quality stocks, so you can go through that as well. And also in the Telegram, I'm updating them so that quickly you can take any position or you can add them into your watch list. Okay, so next when we discuss about indicators, so two major indicators we employ in our technical charts. So one is RSI and second one is money flow index. So RSI is nothing but relative strength index, which shows the strength whether it is in the overbought or in the oversold. So same even the money flow index. So both of them have entered in overbought region. So it is obvious because whenever any stock shows extraordinary movement because of the quarter results, they enter into overbought. So we should not focus more on that since overall outcome is positive. So technicals also matter. So technicals also have been obeyed. So when I'll take you the technical charts, so clearly you will understand that. And rest of all, you can see money flow, MACD has also shown some bullish crossover. Okay, so this is the one day chart of Motherson Sumi. So clearly now you can see the momentum has started increasing little bit. So currently it's trading here 209.50 and it is positive movement of 6.18. Okay, so I told you many times, so I keep on telling in every video, keep 50 EMA as well as 200 EMA. So these are very important. So 50 EMA is one EMA. I tell to keep in all the stocks. You need to watch those, especially in one day chart. So it gives you excellent confirmation. It gives you where the stock is going to move. It gives the direction. So that is very important, and you need to confirm this with the money flow index. Okay, so when you confirm, when money flow index touches 20 and also it is touching 50 EMA, then you can have a very good position into that particular stock. Whether you want to do short term trading or long term trading depends upon you, but from there it may give you some very good returns. So it has been tested many times. So if you want to employ, try once, try to practice that particular strategy, definitely you'll see some good returns. So today you can see directly it has opened with a huge gap up. Okay, so earlier closing was here, earlier closing was near 200, but directly today we have seen opening from 206, I guess something 207, 208. From there it has opened and continuously it has gone to 211. Again it has remained in that particular region of 207 and 208. Okay, so the best support we can say is 200. So will it reach that or not, we can't say, but 200 is very good support. If you want to have an entry, so watch for 200 rupees level. Okay, so that is one particular support. And targets, as usual, many brokerages have given, so it let it cross 215, 220, then definitely 240 should 250, whatever the broker is selling, so that thing also may be achieved for the short term to medium term. Okay, so further if you have any doubts regarding this particular stock, you can ask how much quantity you have taken at which particular level, so everything we'll discuss. So join the Telegram so that when to exit and when to have an entry in good stocks, we'll discuss that as well. So until then, take care, bye bye.